We are so excited that we found a new angle to help Abby with speech and communication, something to think about, which is relatively new for me after 23 years of being on the front lines of autism interventions. And the part of speech is the Gestalt language processor, or people that have echolalia and delayed echolalia. All of those three things are very important. Abby thinks in memories, right?
Yes, I do.
Can you tell me one memory that kind of pops in a lot to describe a feeling?
Like there was a program called the Clubhouse I used to go to when I was 4 years old. And in my teen years, there was this program at my autism school called Sunrise, which I hated.
And
when I'd ride the bus with some Sunrise kids, I felt like I was in the Clubhouse.
So you would say that's the Clubhouse, instead of saying, I feel anxious right now.
I feel anxious right now.
Right. So the words kind of went away, but the memories is what was in your mind.
Right.
Okay. So we're going to be starting working on decoding some of these memories. And when Abby was in about 8th grade, I knew she was thinking in memories, but I didn't quite understand what that was. So I came up with something called a visual dictionary. And this is a page from the visual dictionary with that place called the Clubhouse, which was a program Abby could not describe when she was 4 years old and tell me she didn't like it. There was a lot of behavior problems with crying and spitting and hitting. Abby felt scared and anxious and sad. So I tried to put the visual of this memory with the actual descriptive language. Why is that important? Because nobody will understand what Abby's
And also
talking
we have
about.
another visual dictionary called whenever I'd feel jealous of typical kids, I'd go, I'm a mermaid. Because mermaids felt isolated and alone.
Because why? Because mermaids
Couldn't talk.
Right. So the idea of a mermaid not talking. So I did the same thing with this particular memory of Abby and a mermaid and the feelings that went with it, because she was sort of using that analogy to describe feelings, which once again, people don't understand that. So we're trying
And we drew a typical girl as human and me as a mermaid.
Right. So we're trying to keep the memories, honor the memories. She thinks in episodic memory, but give her that bridge, give her the opportunity to have a feeling word to go with it so that she could perhaps translate for other people so that she can be understood. Right?
Right.
Are you ready to jump into this new therapy?
Yes, I am.
High five it. Proud of you, girl.